I actually have some questions.
Yeah, Erica.
Yeah, I worked as senior data analyst for American Express, and I'm just curious, how do you join this team? Like, I just saw this online and I started going to these events, but what team are you guys a part of, and how did you hear about this?
So do you want to, yeah, so Open Data Week is produced by the Mayor's Office of Data Analytics and BetaNYC.
Okay.
So do you mean the Open Data Week team in general?
Yeah, so you guys said you're all part of this team and you guys put on these events. So I'm just curious what team this is and how you heard about it.
Well, I guess team is like a big word. But yeah, so the Mayor's Office of Data Analytics and BetaNYC have been working to traditionally put on Open Data Week, with BetaNYC normally hosting an in-person conference at the beginning or the end of the week. And BetaNYC itself is a civic organization based in New York City that has been very active advocating for open data, digital literacy, and access across New York City. And so we partner a lot with the city to help build and improve digital literacy and open data and design technology to sort of augment government and make sure that everybody has a say in this like democracy in New York City. And so that's, I guess, the team. And then Open Data Week, we reach out to our community, invite them to hold events, and people propose events throughout the fall and early winter. And then we go through the process of curating them and putting them together in a schedule of events for New Yorkers. So I guess that's the community and the team. But you should join. We have beta.nyc/community. We have a few different ways if you want to just sort of engage in Slack or Facebook or Twitter. We have Meetup. You can check out events.
Okay, cool.
Awesome. Liam or Malgosia, do you want to add anything else about the Mayor's Office of Data Analytics, Moda?
Yeah, I'm happy to do that. So as Kate mentioned, the Mayor's Office of Data Analytics, Moda for short, and BetaNYC every year partner to put together Open Data Week. And also part of that was School of Data conference that Kate just mentioned. Otherwise, the Mayor's Office of Data Analytics works together with our tech partner at the Department of Information Technology and Telecommunications, which is another city agency. That's the kind of IT agency of the city. We work closely with them on managing the Open Data program for New York City. So when you Google Open Data NYC, you get directed to our city Open Data portal, which hosts over 3,000 data sets about different city operations. So this is New York City's effort at transparency, accountability, engagement around open data, making data about the city operations accessible to New Yorkers. And Open Data Week is our way of kind of engaging with the community around those data sets, making sure people know about this wonderful resource that is available to them, learning about the various applications of New York City Open Data, and also helping people take their first steps into kind of the data analytics world as well, which is why we have these kind of introduction to open data, to data analytics tutorials. So that's a little bit more about the work of our office. I also wanted to add that New York City Open Data would not be possible without kind of the work of open data coordinators, who are kind of our liaisons, the liaisons between our Mayor's Office of Data Analytics and the different city agencies, right? Because the data sets are produced, managed by city agencies, and those open data coordinators are liaisons at every single agency to make the data of that agency available on the New York City data portal. You can find more information about the Open Data program, about the work of our office on the NYC Open Data website, also the Moda Mayor's Office of Data Analytics website as well, if you're interested.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you.